So in last video we were talking about how to upload ebooks on Instamojo and how to send data from Instamojo to email marketing tool and about webhook. But in today's lesson we are going to see the overview view of Facebook ad account, that is personal ad account, not business manager. So if you are not a owner of any agency, then I must tell you this Facebook personal ad account is sufficient for like running campaign. So you just don't get tension how you will get. It's very simple. After login on Facebook platform, you will see this option here, these ads, groups, pages, many more things are there, but you have to click on ads. So these are my campaigns which I was running. Now it's closed. So you have to understand here, just do not get confused. So when you reach this page, you just see what are the things. You will get fresh page, you won't see this type of things. For that you have to click on these three lines. Then you will see here ads manager, business settings, audience, billing, page post, ad account. See, don't focus on all the things, focus on ads manager and billing. Okay, so when you go down, you will see account quality, billing, brand safety, business. At first don't get confused by clicking everywhere. If you are not getting billing here, you can click here. So first of all we will go to billing and click here. Okay, so you have reached payment activity center. Okay, now this is the place where you have to add money in Facebook ad account. Yes, so how to do that? You can see here available balance is 130.83. So simply you have to add funds from here. I have already add funds here, you can see. And whenever I run campaign, Facebook deducted money from my available balance. So you can see your VAT invoice ID. Okay, just don't worry how to do that. You just go step by step and you will explore everything. So now I will add funds here. Okay, so how much you want to add, you can add with the help of debit or credit card, UPI, Paytm, net banking. It's very simple the way you make payment on all the platforms. Okay, suppose you are booking flight ticket, then you can use with the help of UPI, Paytm, same system. You just don't take tension about this. So I'm not going to add any amount here. I will cut it now. So I have closed that. Now I will go back. So just look at the data and nothing to worry about this. Go to three lines. Now we will go to ads manager. See, billing and ads manager. Remember these things. Three dots, ads manager and billing. So now we will click on ads manager. So when you work on Facebook personal ad account, just do not click home button, because if you click on home button it will take you business. Okay, so don't go for business one, your personal ad account. Now, so under this campaign you will see campaigns, ad sets and ads. Okay, so in the upcoming video I will show you by playing or creating one campaign on this platform. Now we will see how to create campaign and what are the options. Okay, so let me create campaign. So these are nothing, these are I will show you in later video. Click on create. So this will give you overall idea what happens with the campaign or what is the objective of campaign. So you can see here, choose a campaign objective. See, here you can see awareness, consideration, and conversion. Okay. So if your company is something big like Coca-Cola or something Mercedes, whatever, Mahindra and Mahindra, so their ad target is campaign is brand awareness. Okay, like any big company, they focus on brand awareness. Now reach. If someone is trying to reach million people, then they will select this campaign. Okay. Now we will come to consideration. Traffic. Suppose you have a website and you want traffic to that particular website. So in my next video, I will show you the exact thing about traffic. Yes. Suppose I want traffic to this page. Then it's very simple. I have to copy the URL and I have to paste in traffic campaign. So I will show you. Next is engagement. Okay. So whatever video you have upload on like Instagram or Facebook, you want engagement, then this will play in engaging the audience. Sometimes you have you want to market your app installs, then big companies focus on this campaign. Like some people wants their videos should be more views, then they will like play this campaign. Lead generation is like collection of name and email id or whatever, so messages. And the next is message is something like you are pushing people to message you through messenger, so this campaign will help you. And the next in conversions. Yes, conversions means suppose you are targeting this page. Once they make payment and they will reach to another page. Okay. And if this type of things happen, then it's called conversions. So Facebook will track whether that person make payment or not. So catalog sales, store traffic. Suppose you have local business of anything, like you have biryani center and you want like a store traffic or something, you like your business traffic to that particular place, then you can run this campaign. So this is overall view of like campaign objective. So in upcoming lesson, I will show you the traffic one, because I'm playing this campaign and I'm going with this campaign only. And if you think that no, I want some more campaign ideas, then don't worry. You can go ahead and search one by one on YouTube that how to do this, how to do that. You can get it easily. Okay. So I hope you got some ideas from here. So let me repeat this one. So what you have to do, you have to log in the Facebook account, then you have to click on ads and then just come here. And you have to notice two things: ads manager and billing. Under billing you have to add money in the Facebook ad account, and with the ads manager you will reach this page where you will create the first campaign. So let me show you here. These are the campaigns which I created, like 180 clicks. See results, 180 clicks on my links. I will show you in the later video. So I will just keep it like this and meet you in the next video. For now, bye bye.